Hi guys, today we are driving to the world Takoyaki! A delightful Japanese street food that will make your taste buds dance. How about making soft and gooey on inside, crispy and firm on outside takoyaki at home? So let's get takoyaki party started! Introduce ingredients. First up, we got the all-important flour. You can use special takoyaki flour, but for now, we will stick regular all-purpose flour. Eggs. Octopus. Takoyaki without octopus is like a day without sunshine. Green onion. Red pickled ginger, as you like. And Tenkasu. It will swell and form a beautiful bowl. Toppings. Aonori, dried bonito flakes, Japanese Worcestershire sauce, and mayonnaise. Let's get cooked and make everyone's favorite takoyaki together! Let's start by cutting the octopus that goes inside the takoyaki. The octopus is the star of the dish, so it's important to cut it in the pieces that are about 2 cm squares. If they are too big, it can be challenging to make the takoyaki, so getting the right size is key. I recommend prepare about 4 to 5 grams of octopus per one takoyaki. So make sure to have enough octopus ready for the amount of you are making. Absolutely. It's important to pay attention to color and flavor of the red pickled ginger. Since it's a bit large, chopping it in small pieces will make it easier to add the takoyaki. Let's go ahead and finally chop it. There you go, all done with the chopping. See? It's so easy, right? Next, let's prepare the batter for takoyaki. The ratio of flour to water is crucial in making the perfect takoyaki batter. So, it's best to measure it actually. Personally, I found a 1:3 ratio of flour to water works best and is easy to cook with. For 30 pieces of takoyaki, we will use 200 grams of flour and add 600 ml of water. It's right about the importance of dashi in Japanese cuisine, and takoyaki is no exception. Adding dried bonito flake to the batter will evaluate the flavor and make your takoyaki even more delicious. Now it's time to add the eggs. Once all ingredients are in, use a whisk to mix well everything together. Make sure the flour doesn't clump and ensure the eggs are well incorporated. Now it's ready when the mixture turns a light yellow color and there is no more lump of flour. This smooth and consistent texture is what you are aiming for. Once you achieve that, you are good to go. The most crucial tool for making takoyaki is takoyaki pan. This one is a bit large, but in Japan you can find the small ones, just like the one in the image. Coating the takoyaki pan with oil is an important step to prevent the batter from sticking. Just spread the oil evenly on the entire surface, including the outer round molds using the kitchen paper. Now let's start heating the pan. If your pan has a temperature setting, around 200 degrees should work well. We need to wait until the surface is warm before adding the butter. When the pan is adequately heated, it's time to pour in the butter. Using a pot or a bottle with a spout can make the pouring the butter easier, or even plastic water bottle can do the trick. Fill each mold in pan with butter, filling them about halfway up. Now let's add the octopus pieces. Be careful not to forget this step. A takoyaki without octopus is a sad sight indeed. Next, sprinkle in the chopped green onion, tempura flake, and red pickled ginger. Now it's time to pour the remaining butter over the fillings. Don't be alarmed if the spill over the molds a bit. This will actually help to create that iconic round shape. Keep an eye on the takoyaki as it cooks. And once the edges start to look slightly hard, we can move on the next step. Once the butter starts to form up a bit, it's time to use the skewers. With 2 skewers, we can easily rotate the takoyaki and shape it into the perfect bowl. Now gently slide the skewers around the edge of each takoyaki mold, creating the small gap or area between the takoyaki and mold. This will allow us to shape each individual takoyaki bowl. Be patient and careful while creating this gap, as the takoyaki is still delicate and not fully cooked at this stage. But with a little practice, you will get the hang on it. Once we have all takoyaki separated from the mold, we can continue cooking until the outer layer becomes crispy and golden brown. Once the butter is partially set, it's time to start rotating the takoyaki. With the left skewer, gently hold down the center, while using the right skewer to rotate the outer edge of takoyaki. As you rotate, the bottom layer of the butter will start to flip and form the beautiful round shape. At the same time, push the surrounding butter toward the center to ensure the nice bowl shape. Don't worry if it's not perfectly round yet. Use the skewer to gently push the surrounding butter into the hole. Flip the takoyaki, and repeat this process. Keep doing this until you achieve the beautiful and round shape. Since we can only cook one side at a time, it's essential to regularly flip the takoyaki to ensure even cooking on all sides. Continue rotating and shaping the takoyaki until it's evenly cooked and has golden brown crust on all sides. With a little practice, you master the art of making perfect takoyaki bowls. As the takoyaki cooks, you'll notice it turning the lovely golden brown color. Once it reaches this stage, it's almost done. The rest is up to your preference. If you do it well, it will such a beautiful round shape. It's too round and rolls away. This is the Japanese street food takoyaki. It's time to add toppings. Drizzle some takoyaki sauce and mayonnaise over them. Sprinkle some chopped nori. And finally, add the bonito flake on top. Now they look like perfectly round and delicious takoyaki. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Let's eat while it's hot. Look at the beautiful round takoyaki. It's crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Just the way takoyaki should be. You can make such a delicious takoyaki at home. Happy! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!